Hello, welcome to Con Corner. This is just a really quick follow-up. I said I'd follow up with what my dad thought of the bread and butter pickles after he tested them. In my original video where I've got the recipe, and I'll put a little link in here to it. There are some variations you can add to each jar of pickles. You can add cloves, you can add garlic, you can add hot pepper, and we're trying to recreate my grandmother's bread and butter pickle recipe that my dad liked. And so I made up a small batch, a half a batch, and put it into separate jars and added these different things to the jars, and then had him taste of them. And his favorites, his very favorite, were the plain ones with no cloves in them, and he also liked the ones with a little hot pepper flakes in them. So that's the verdict. I had talked to my sister, and she said she remembered loving the pickles, but she couldn't remember anything about what might have been in them. But she said, I don't like cloves, so I'm pretty sure they didn't have cloves in them. Well, she was right. That was the ones that Daddy liked best, was the ones with no cloves in them. Now, my favorite, I loved the cloves in them, and I loved garlic. So when I made this batch, I made a double batch, which produced 8 pints. I added a few extra pickles to get enough for mine, but I added garlic and cloves to my little jar, which I'll have. That'll do me all year. But I made these plain. If he decides he wants them hot, he can just add some hot pepper flakes to the jars as he opens them, or stick a hot pepper in there. But anyway, I promised to follow up, so I wanted to do so. Y'all have a great day, and look forward to talking to you again soon.